With solid essentials and a great deal of energy behind it, Cardano is definitely one of the additional fascinating applications in the blockchain field today. Believe Bitcoin to be Crypto 1.0 in the event that it were a variant. It's basically advanced gold, but there are versatility worries with the framework. Then there's Ethereum, which has an answer however less usefulness, and is known as Crypto 2.0. And afterward there was Cardano, established by Ethereum Prime supporter Charles Hoskinson in September 2017, means to be a third-age blockchain project that expands on the innovation spearheaded by Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hoskinson then proceeded to lay out Cardano, a blockchain that means to be more adaptable, flexible, and enduring than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cardano needs to make a shrewd agreement stage that is both versatile, energy effective, and give a lot of usefulness than Ethereum. Cardano is the primary verification of stake blockchain stage, in view of companion explored research and made utilizing proof-based systems. Since its commencement, Cardano has seen various innovative headways. It has delivered its own shrewd agreement capacity, permitting designers to make decentralized applications on the blockchain. The Cardano stage can deal with a great many exchanges. However, a definitive objective is to make an environment that takes into consideration smooth trade between different blockchains. ADA, the Cardano's digital currency. The Cardano stage is local digital money. ADA is named after Ada Lovelace, a 19th mathematician considered as the world's first software engineer. Cardano is fueled by ADA coins, same as Ethereum is controlled by ETH token. They're utilized to pay exchange expenses and marked by validators who need to get compensations in return for assisting with keeping the organization secure and stable. Later on, ADA will be utilized as an administration token, permitting holders to decide on Cardano stage changes and updates. Utilizing a proof-of-stake agreement system, Cardano is offering a more feasible and versatile blockchain. In this video, we'll go over our Cardano value forecast top to bottom. A concise Cardano outline will be given and its cost conjectures for the future will be given, as well as some additional data on where to get ADA cryptographic money this year. We've covered each of the essentials as far as examination to create an exact stock figure. Our Cardano cost forecast considered both specialized and crucial components to think of a strong gauge. Considering that, the segments beneath go through every one of these viewpoints top to bottom, providing you with a decent knowledge of Cardano's future possibilities. Specialized, Cardano is a high possible cryptographic money with a solid improvement group and a splendid future. Here are a few key subtleties. Cardano is a blockchain-based stage with further developed highlights than any past convention. It's the first blockchain drive to rise out of a logical perspective in an examination-first procedure. Cardano was planned starting from the earliest stage considering brilliant agreement capacities, giving more prominent security and adaptability than earlier blockchain ages. Cardano's cost as of January 1, 2018 was 14 cents, an increment of 147% from its introduction cost of 36 cents on September 29, 2017. For many computerized coins, for example, Cardano, investigators utilize specialized examination to estimate future qualities. In the event that you're looking for a nice profit from your virtual money venture, ADA could be a reasonable decision. On 06/05/2022, the cost of Cardano was $0.788. You will get 126.863 ADA on the off chance that you buy Cardano today for $100. The cost estimate for 2027-0501 is $3.604. In light of our conjectures, the income will be generally plus 357.36% following a 5-year speculation. In 2027, your $100 venture might be valued at $457.36. The ongoing cost of Cardano is $0.6955. Basic. While searching for a Cardano expectation, it's critical to think about something beyond specialized contemplations. The major components are likewise significant. Keep in mind, Cardano's Alonzo Savvy contract, which was sent off last year, guarantees results. It's actually being created in light of the fact that brilliant agreements should be tried appropriately prior to being sent off for public use. However, it seems, by all accounts, to be empowering. Cardano has an elevated degree of trust. Cardano's cost has settled subsequent to ascending to $1.50 starting from the start of 2021. With a 45 billion symbolic inventory, we accept the cost could reach $5 by 2025. This would raise the market capitalization to generally $225 billion, which isn't terrible thinking of it as yet a negligible part of Bitcoin or Ethereum's ongoing business sector cap. This is certainly not a monetary exhortation. We compose this investigation since it urges our perusers to require the investment to find out about the tokens before they complete any exchange. Prior to putting your well-deserved cash in anything, particularly unsafe monetary instruments like cryptos, do all necessary investigation. Cardano Value Expectation 2022. As per Google patterns, Cardano moved higher in spring and afterward lower in April in the wake of moving higher for a large portion of the year. This is sensible. In contrast to numerous different coins, where whales set the cost, retail is an enormous component here. In view of ongoing patterns, the typical Cardano cost expectation 2022 will be near $1.23 by May. Sources from TechNewsLeader. Digital coin price and crypto prediction anticipate $3.29, $1.65, $2.33 individually. Cardano value history. The cost of ADA has ascended by practically 10% as of now, and it is on the cusp of getting through 90 cents. Assuming the latest thing proceeds, the cost of ADA could take off above $1 in the following 24 hours. As of 8:25 p.m., the Cardano cost is 78 cents, down 1.29% as of now. Cardano's market capitalization is currently $25,835,517,370.27 USD. Because of late cost activity, Cardano has encountered a 40.38% decline up until this point this year. Computerized resource order standard. Cardano is sorted as a product stage. Cardano has begun to exchange up as of now, yet it is as yet exchanging great beneath $1. Cardano's worth has dropped around 40% in esteem since January 2022, as per its presentation this year. It's one of the year's most horrendously awful entertainers. Notwithstanding, Cardano has risen approximately 16% over the most recent 5 days, beating both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Cardano's general market cap has expanded in the past 24 hours. The market capitalization of ADA has expanded by 13% as of now, while exchanging volume has expanded by just about 150%. As far as generally speaking business sector capitalization, ADA is presently the 10th biggest digital currency. Specialists in cryptographic money have broke down the scope of potential outcomes of ADA costs in 2022. Their projection for December 2022 is set at be exchanged inside the scope of $1.56 minus $2.46. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. The cost of ADA is projected to cross the $1.13 level, as indicated by the Conjecture Information Examination. Cardano is anticipated to hit a base charge of $1.06 before the year's end. Moreover, the ADA cost can possibly reach $1.22. Cardano Value Expectation 2023 is critical for financial backers and holders of crypto resources. Cardano is supposed to exchange at least $1.57 in December 2023, as per the cost gauge. Cardano's reasonable worth can arrive at a limit of $1.97 with a typical exchanging worth of $1.62 in USD. In 2023, the ADA cost might vary somewhere in the range of $1.50 and $1.60. By the by, our ADA Cardano cost gauge demonstrates that the future cost might fall. In any case, it's difficult to say whether the following 3 years will be the crypto coin's brilliant age.